Let us now talk about dipole in a uniform external field. Now say you have a dipole in the field as we have shown in the figure on the left, and this dipole is making an angle theta with the external field. In that case, the dipole is going to experience the torque in this field. So let us see the torque. So since the field is coming out from a positively charged plate or a wire, so you see minus QE will get attracted towards it and plus QE will get repelled. So we have the direction of the torque. Minus Q is getting attracted towards the left and plus QE is moving to the right. And let P vector denote the dipole from minus Q to plus Q. Then the torque is given as, torque is a vector. It is given as a cross product of force vector and this P vector which we have just drawn. Now force is given as Q times electric field, then take cross product with the P vector again. And since this is a cross product, you know that the magnitude of the torque vector is magnitude of Q times E vector times magnitude of P vector times sine theta. So this is the magnitude of the torque. So if the length of P vector is 2a, so that is the distance of minus Q and plus Q from the center of the dipole is a, then you get the magnitude of the torque vector as QE 2a sine theta. So this distance is a. Minus Q from origin, similarly plus Q from origin would also be plus a. So the torque would be 0 if theta is 0. So when theta is 0, sine theta is also 0, so torque would be 0. And if theta is pi, again sine theta is 0, so torque would be 0. So let us see this in the figure. So say when theta is 0, this is how it will look like. That plus Q will make 0 angle with the field. So the first figure is theta equal to 0 and the second figure is theta equal to pi. So this is theta equal to 0. Here theta is equal to pi. Notice the position of plus Q in both the cases. So for theta equals to 0, this dipole is stable. You perturb it a little bit, it comes back to its original position. Whereas for theta equals to pi, the dipole is unstable. So if you perturb it a little bit, it is not going to come back to its original position. It will try going back to the position of theta equals to 0. Whereas for the first case, when theta is equal to 0, you perturb it a little bit, it will come back to theta equals to 0. So we are saying for theta equals to pi, the dipole is unstable. If you perturb it a little bit, it will try to go to the state of theta equals to 0 rather than coming back to theta equals to pi, and that is why it is called unstable.